Right, so the spaces have come. We've got the JR wheels 25mm for the rear, and then we've got the 20mm for the front, and then JR. Driftworks sent me some stickers as well, obviously put on the MacBook, repping. So yeah man, let's get these on. Right, you can see I'm better in this light, but we've got, again, 20mm, 25mm for the rear. So as you can see on the rear, the fitment is pretty shit, so we need to sort this out because that looks horrendous. And then the front's pretty much the same as well. You can see from there, get that pushed out because that looks shit. It's got to be even, has to be even. It can't be like that, it has to be like that. Alright, so just gonna take a quick trip to Halfords because I need the converter so I can use the 19mm on my bigger bar. To be fair, I think I'll get the converter and the 19mm. Right, so I just decided to get the 19 and also the converters. Might as well. The downside of coming to Halfords is that I always want to buy something to do with like cleaning. No, resist the urge. Huh? No, I just do my own work. Yeah, like YouTube and that. Lewis Morris Media. So obviously you want to wide brush down the surface that you're putting the spacer onto because you want it to be like even, you want the surface to be flat. You don't want like any imperfections that are going to cause the spacer to sit different. It also might be worth putting a copper grease on the spots as well, which what I'm going to grab and do as well. It's been sat watching me. Spectator. Just enough. Make sure as you do it, you're going like a star pattern. Like, so if I did that one, I'll go there, 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 there. Oops. Let's get all the bolts back on. I'm just going to do it like hand tight and then I'll let it down, then I'll do it up, then I'll torque them properly. Something's kicking off. I can't even how much better that looks. Look at that, look, yeah boy. Let me just show you the ugly side. Oh my god, that's so much better. Yes, my boy, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, as you can see, 25mm is perfect. We're going to do the other side and then we'll move on to the front. Alright, so that's that left side done as well, as you can see. Sits so much better, man. So yeah, much prefer that. Right, so I'm gonna finish this wheel, do the other side, then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Right, so the car's finished. Again, just like most videos, I always bring it, we're gonna try and finish it in a different location. So here's what the car looks like now. Don't watch my parking job, there's no one else around it. The fitment obviously is a lot better. It's just looking so much more fitted, I guess. Both sides look good. The lighting's pretty dead on this side, but it fills out so much better. I'm definitely a lot more happy with it, and it looks so much more, it's just a lot more fitted to the car as well, even though they're on stock wheels, not for long. But yeah man, I'm really happy with that. So yeah man, gas. Spaces work to treat. Again, thank you for watching another video. Like, subscribe to follow the build, and there's bigger mods coming. These are just the little things that are just getting done first. I saw a comment earlier that said these are not mods. Well, they kind of are really. Look up the term modification. I'm enjoying it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.